Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. This is going to be a card case to fit a lot of cards. So if you're into collecting like the Magic cards or Yu-Gi-Oh or whatever you've got, this should be able to hold them. So this is what the box looks like. It's really a nice looking box. It's can you see it close up here? It's got like a little texture to it. It's got the little name brand over there, and then it's like a magnet close on there. Oop, something fell. Oh, piece of paper. Okay, and so this is how it opens up. So it'll open up, and then you can also take the top off, and it's got the paper over here. But it looks like it can magnetize on both sides here. So it'll magnet there. To close it up and carry it, you got it magnetized. Let me aim y'all down so you can see what I'm doing here. So this is it here. So that's how it looks there, and it'll go this way. It comes with some dividers here, so the dividers can go into the sections however you would like to separate them. I don't know, I guess, whatever. Oh, these are the dividers. Here, I guess these are better dividers. So if I want to go and make it there that long. Oh, and it's got these three in here that can be moved. So you can separate it out however you like into these, whatever. So I don't know, are these two or is it one? I guess it's one. Okay. It's funny, these are a little thinner than these, but okay. So then you've got your cards and you've got different sectioners here. So if you have some cards to put in there, I just have some cards here. I don't have them in, collectible cases, but these would fit with those plastic cases around them. But you can put the cards in there, put separators in there that'll kind of keep them up. And how cool is this? Nice little case. So you can put all your collectible stuff in here. If you're going to a show and you want to sell things or something like that, this would be a great little display one here because you can put it out there and then you can take it with you when you head on out, close it up, take it with you wherever. So nice setup here for sure. Really like it. Really good feel. It's got the velvet on the inside and you can see really a good, nice case. So super nice case. Thumbs up for sure.